If you'd like to link out to a specific event using a button on your website, we've written some HTML code available in our Help Center article that you can use to set this up. First, open the event summary from your Ticket Tailor dashboard and copy the event page link. Open a text editor and paste the link. Then paste the HTML code from our help article. Replace the dummy event ID with the one from the end of your event page link, as well as replace the Your Box Office name text with the name of your box office. You can also customize the text for the button link. When you're done, copy the entire HTML code and add it into your website,